Hey, welcome to my free video training. But before we get started, I just want to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Scott Rulon. I've been an accountant for 33 years, bookkeeper, financial advisor, tax preparer. I've done it all. But the thing is, there was always something that was missing. I'd have to spend all that time on the commute each and every day during the weekdays, and after my hour to hour and a half commute, I was so tired by the time I got to work, I just didn't know what to do with myself. And you know what? Then there's my boss who thought they could dictate my time, tell me when I could spend time with my family, when I couldn't. And by the way, that included the weekends. He or she got to spend time with their family, but I didn't get time to spend with my son or my daughter. And there was even one time they even had the gall to call me and say, "Where are you?" I had made no commitment to come in that day, and yet they still had the gall to do that. Well, that was a little bit too much. That was the point in time when I decided to start my own business, take control of my time, my money, and my future. Why don't you make the same change? These kind of opportunities aren't around forever. But if I were to bet on one thing, I say it's your time. Do you have questions about it? Well, let me give you a little bit of an analogy. How many of you have walked down a dark tunnel? Well, probably not everybody, but when you walk down a dark tunnel, you take a flashlight with you because you need some guidance. And in this digital marketing world, we all need guidance. You know what? Over the past 2 years, I've gotten lots of help from lots of people. Thank God for each and every one of them, because I wouldn't be where I was today if I didn't have help. So now it's your time, it's your turn, and I can't wait to see what you'll do next.